The megalodon, which went extinct millions of years ago, was the largest shark ever documented and one of the largest fish on record. The scientific name Carcharodontis megalodon means giant tooth, and for good reason. Its massive teeth give scientists major clues about what the creature was like and when it died off. The shark, that was 3 times bigger than a great white shark, ate whales for food. I'm intrigued enough now and want to find out about 10 such sea monsters that are scarier than Megalodon. Let's swim through it. Don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon for more spooky content. Number 10. Dunkleosteus. 358 million years ago, a shallow sea teeming with marine life covered northeast Ohio. Dunkleosteus sterili, the largest predator and one of the fiercest creatures alive in the Devonian age of fishes, ruled the subtropical waters. Up to 20 feet in length and weighing more than 1 ton, this orthorodire fish was capable of chopping prehistoric sharks into chum. Dunkleosteus had a massive skull made of thick, bony plates and 2 sets of fang-like protrusions near the front of powerful, self-sharpening jawbones. Dunkleosteus has one of the most powerful bite any fish, well ahead of all modern-day sharks, including the great white shark. Dunkleosteus could also open its mouth in 1/50th of a second, which would have caused a powerful suction that pulled the prey into its mouth, a food capture technique reinvented by many of the most advanced teleost fishes today. Due to its heavily armored nature, Dunkleosteus was likely a relatively slow, albeit powerful, swimmer. Number 9. Leviathan melville. The genus name was inspired by the biblical sea monster Leviathan and the species name by Herman Melville, the author of the famous book Moby Dick about an albino bull whale. Leviathan's total length has been estimated to be about 13.5 to 17.5 meters, similar to the modern sperm whale, making it one of the largest predators to have ever existed. The teeth of Leviathan measures 36.2 centimeters and are the largest biting teeth of any known animal. The whale may have interacted with the large extinct shark Megalodon, competing with it for a similar food source. The Leviathan weighed as much as 6 elephants. It also had teeth that were 14 inches long, which means that its teeth were even longer than saber-toothed tigers. One of the most interesting facts about Leviathan, however, is that it didn't feast on plankton like many whales do. No, it was carnivorous, which means that it ate meat. Paleontologists believe that it is likely that it would have eaten seals, dolphins, and maybe even other whales. Number 8. Alien sea creatures. Before going ahead, let's take a look at this creature, much bigger than Megalodon, and those 2 teeth are so pointy and horrific. This is a concept art that was recently discovered online. But do you see that jaw splitting into 2 parts? I mean, scaring someone is one thing, but encountering this, if it is there in the ocean, can kill you just by a cardiac arrest. Although visually speaking, this incredible sea monster is similar to many big fishes from the ancient world. It's only a depiction of what sea life may have been like. Imagining this on planet Earth would be a mistake because scientists have been speculating that these terrifying predatory creatures could have lived and still be living in the ocean millions of light years away. But do we even know about our own planet's ocean, which are still undiscovered and in remote areas? Who knows what they contain for us? Number 7. Mosasaurus. Mosasaurus had around 40 to 50 massive teeth which were conical and sharp, fitted into a jaw that was long and tapered. The jaw was double-hinged with a flexible skull which enabled them to gulp down their prey whole, much like modern snakes. This was not a predator that took large bites out of its prey, but one that pierced its prey and swallowed it whole. Mosasaurus likely preyed on fish and turtles. Mosasaurus was a reptile, and like all other reptiles, it had to breathe air, so it would need to come to the surface now and again to fill its lungs with oxygen. Its limbs had evolved to be paddle like, with skin fusing the finger and toe bones together. Number 6. Giant stingrays. The giant freshwater stingray may be the world's largest freshwater fish. It's also cloaked in mystery. No one is sure how many stingrays are left, which habitats they prefer, or even if they ever venture into the ocean where their more common known relatives live. These ancient fish, little changed over many million of years, can reach 16.5 feet long, including the tail. There are reports of giant stingrays weighing up to 1,300 pounds. Though such accounts are not verified because weighing the enormous and awkward fishes is very difficult. Brown to grey in color, the giant stingrays are wide and flat form and they sport long, whip-like tails. They are known to proud river systems in Thailand, Cambodia, Malaysia and Indonesia, often burying themselves in sandy or silty river bottoms. Number 5. Stetacanthus. This bizarre creature is nothing less than anyone on the list. The evolutionary traits that have been discovered of the Stetacanthus are still so unbelievable that scientists are struggling to understand why the fish evolved in the way we see it now. It is believed that these species went extinct 323 million years ago, but still the Stetacanthus strongly resembles modern-day shark, except for its outrageous dorsal fin, the shape of an ironing board, that it seems was part of courtship display as it is found in the males only. The top of this fin was covered in rough, tooth-shaped scales that matched the patch of skin on the Stetacanthus snout. Was this supposed to mimic a huge mouth and make the creature appear more frightening? Number 4. Plesiosaurus. Plesiosaurus is often mistakenly referred to as a dinosaur when in fact it is a prehistoric marine reptile that lived at the same time as the dinosaurs. It had a long neck, 4 paddle-like flippers and a tail. From the stomach contents of the Plesiosaurus, we can tell they fed on belemnites and ammonites as well as prehistoric fish. Plesiosaurus could use its long neck to sneak upon its prey from a distance with little chance of being detected. Plesiosaurus are known to have given birth to a single live offspring just like us. An unborn plesiosaur would have been 1.5 meters long, that's a whopping 1/3 of its mom. While most Triassic marine reptiles lived in shallow seas, Plesiosaurus were strong swimmers that lived in the open seas and gave birth live young. This allowed them to spread around the world, which may be why both groups survived the end Triassic extinction. Number 3. Big fin squid. The big fin squid, sometimes referred to as the long-armed squid, is around 26 feet in length with thin elastic tentacles thought to be between 15 to 20 times larger than the squid's body. Adult big fins have never been captured or sampled, but rare video footage recorded by the Shell Oil Company reveals their alien-like behavior. Big fin squids were first discovered in 1907, but it wasn't until 1988 that the first footage was filmed off the coast of Brazil. A squid spotted in 2000 was thought to have been around 23 feet long, and more recent sightings have estimated lengths of 26 feet. Scientists believe that big fin squid feed by dragging their arms and tentacles along the sea floor and grabbing organisms off the floor. They may, however, simply use a trapping technique, waiting passively for prey to bump into their arms. Now, I do not have any intentions to scare you, but these creatures are not really extinct and there have been evident sightings of them. Number 2. The bobbit worm. If I could go back to my childhood, I would have never waited for rainstorms to flush out all of the earthworms for me to grab, place on leaves and send down the flooded gutters into the sewers, I thought it was a funny race. This is the bobbit worm, a mix between the Mongolian death worm, the graboids from Tremors, the bugs from Starship Troopers, and a rainbow. And it's a really dangerous rainbow, like in Mario Kart. And it hunts in pretty much the most nightmarish way imaginable, digging itself into the seafloor, exposing a few inches of its body, which can grow to 10 feet long, and waiting. Using 5 antennae, the bobbit worm senses passing prey, snapping down on them with supremely muscled mouth parts, calling a pharynx. It does this with such speed and strength that it can split a fish into two, and that, quite frankly, would be a merciful exit. If you survive initially, you get to find out what it's like to be yanked into the worm's burrow and into untold nightmares. Number 1. Helicoprion. From the great white to the hammerhead, the shark species are feared for a reason. The fossils of this 270 million year old Helicoprion fish have long mystified scientists because, for the most part, the only remains of the fish are its teeth, because its skeletal system was made of cartilage which doesn't preserve well. No one could determine how these teeth that look similar to a spiral saw blade fit into a prehistoric fish with a poor fossil record, long assumed to be a species of a shark. One of the scientists reported that we were able to answer where the set of teeth fit in the animal. They fit in the back of the mouth, right next to the back joint of the jaw. We were able to refute that it might have been located at the front of the jaw. Located in the back of the jaw, the teeth were saw-like, with the jaw creating a rolling back and slicing mechanism. It means the Helicoprion was designed to act like a buzzsaw. The Helicoprion also likely ate soft-tissued prey such as squid rather than hunting creatures with hard shells. That is all we have for today's video, people. I hope this video was scary enough to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to The Unleashed for daily spooky content and comment down below what are your thoughts about these creatures. Until next time, keep vibing.